plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. Today, I am making another Christmassy, wintry Pokemon. I am making a little Piloswine. I hope that you guys enjoy. I have already made Swinub and Mamoswine, so I will link those down in the description if those are part of your favorite evolutionary line. I don't often make paper art for every single Pokemon in an evolutionary line. It has happened on occasion. Trying to think when else I have done that. I think for Geodude, actually. I made all of his evolutions. Of course, some were Alolan, but yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this one. So I'm just working with some brown paper. You can see the background paper I've already picked out. It is light blue with beautiful little snowflakes, and I do give him a little bit of Christmas apparel in the end. I hope that everybody is doing okay this December. I hope you all are holding up okay. Gosh, I miss sunlight. I will admit that. I'm a little down because I kind of operate on like a late night schedule. Like I wake up pretty late, so the amount of sunlight I see is not very much, and it is affecting me a little bit. But yeah, hopefully soon. I'm supposed to be getting an exercise bike set up, so maybe once I start exercising, I'll feel a little better about it all. But until then, I have my Pokemon, and you do too, if you need a little pick-me-up. So I'm just working with a similar brown color to do some shading and kind of make his ear and his eyebrow fur pop out a little bit. It's pretty much the same color as the other paper, but slightly thicker. I do wish I worked with a thinner paper, because with this one, it sometimes showed some white through it because it's a really thick paper, and you can see I'm ripping pieces off, and that did leave a little bit of white. If there are any Ice-type Pokemon that you would like to see for the month of December, please let me know down in the comments. Pretty soon, I won't be able to commit to getting them done in time. Yeah, if there are anything that you'd like to see at all, please let me know. There is a link to a Google spreadsheet in the description, so you can get an idea of what I have already made. I have made quite a few. Don't feel bad if you request something that I've already made, though, because it's really hard to keep track of. I think this is my 80-somethingth Pokemon, so no worries. But some of the things that I have made and that are coming soon are Snom, Shiny Sneasel, Dugong, Abomasnow, and I do have a special coming out next weekend for Jirachi, which I know is not Ice-type, but I will be doing a collaboration on that, and I will give you guys details later, and it should be a really fun time. I'm very excited to do that. Oh, this reminds me. Since I just made Spheal and I was talking about how much I wanted a Spheal, I just caught him in Omega Ruby. I started playing again, and hopefully I will actually complete the game since I bought it in March. So, yeah, I've been having fun playing that this week, and I didn't realize that, unlike the original games, if you don't catch Groudon, he reappears, I guess? And that just feels like cheating to me. I don't know, I'm so used to the old style games where things are super, super hard. So I did not catch Groudon. I guess I will go back and catch him later. I just kind of lost my patience a little bit. I don't know, but I feel like I shouldn't have gotten that easy out. I feel like I should have had to stay and fight for it. I don't know. But yeah, my team on there is doing pretty well. I should probably make paper crafts for my whole team, because I don't think I have made any of them as paper crafts. That might be a fun idea for January. I'm very, very attached to my Mightyena and my Gardevoir. They are my favorites. So now I'm just putting his face down. You can see I have already outlined the eyebrows and the ear with a black pen so that they show up on the page. And next I get his background ready, but I realized he was really missing something, so again I give him some Christmas apparel in the end. I still haven't put any Christmas decorations up. I really should do that. I just got a Pikachu brass ornament in my large unboxing video, and that's super cute. I think I can open that and feel okay as a collector because I don't think it's worth as much as the promo card I got. But I don't know if maybe I'll just keep it. Maybe I'll just keep it in the box. Some collector habits just won't go away, you know? So now I'm giving him this cute little Santa hat. I don't know if I'll do this for another Pokemon, but it just seemed like the right thing to do for Piloswine. And next for the washi tape, I have this light blue with gold scotch tape, and as well as that I have this red snowflake tape that I struggled with a little bit but finally got going, and I add those for the frame. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. As a small creator, it really helps me out, and I will see you all again soon. Bye! Get some sunlight. See ya.